Hello, my dear YouTube students. Welcome back to my channel, Scorpio Class. So today in this video, we are going to discuss Class 10, Political Science, the problems of India and their solutions, question and answers. So this video is going to be very informative and helpful. So stay tuned till end and hit the like button after seeing the video. So let's move ahead, students. But before that, if you're viewing my video for the first time, to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all the upcoming videos. To share my videos and the channel with your friends. Now, there's a gentle reminder to you all about Scorpio Class Hindi channel. And in this channel, we are uploading all the Hindi lessons explanation, question and answers videos, and complete notes along with the grammar syllabus of class 7, 8, 9, and 10. So do visit the description box and find the link for Scorpio Class Hindi and subscribe to it. The link will also be shared in the I button above so that you can directly subscribe the channel from here. So students, now let's move ahead and discuss the question and answers of this lesson. So very first thing is fill in the blanks. So we have to fill in the blanks with the appropriate answers. The first one, the people who develop a deep passion for the place they live is called as dash. It is regionalism. Okay, the formation of language-based regions took place in dash. So it is 1956. Next, in Karnataka, dash institution is in existence to curb corruption. That's Lokayukta. Okay. Next, fourth one. As per the census of 2011, the population of India is dash. It is 121 crores. Okay. So these are the fill in the blanks with the right answers. Now let's go ahead for question and answers. So first question. How is communalism fatal to national unity? Explain. So answer. Communalism is harmful to national progress because it propagates hateful philosophy among the religious groups. It leads to unrest and even ruin the life of people and property. It spreads with the unwarranted mutual accusation, insult, and even physical combat among the religious groups. It hampers the unity and the strength of the nation. As a result, the country has to spend lot of energy to maintain internal peace and order. Okay, so these are some points. Answers are given in the form of points so that it's easy for you all to remember. So this was our first answer. Now let's go on to the second one. How does regionalism affect national development? Discuss. So one of the problems that India is facing is regionalism. A strong feeling of people in favor of the local area in which they live is called regionalism. It helps the people to take initiative for all-round development of the local areas. The extreme regionalism harms national unity. Locally centered emotional attachment is an obstacle to overall national growth. If extreme regionalism among the states is allowed to continue, it will cause serious disputes among states. It leads to unhealthy development of the country. Okay, so this is second answer again given in points. I hope it's convenient. Now let's move on to third one. What are your suggestions to improve the status of women? Answer. To improve women's education and development, the government has started the Women and Children Department. The Women and Children Department should perform actively. Women Education, Prohibition of Child Marriage Act, Dowry Prohibition Act should be brought into force properly. Women Commission should enquire the cases of women and impart good justice to them. To bring all round progress for women, important programs should be adopted, such as giving stress on women's self employment, providing scope for the activities of Mahila Mandalas, Stree Shakti Organisations, self help groups, and women cooperatives, etc. Okay, so these are some of the suggestions to improve the status of women. Moving to next question. What are the measures needed for the eradication of unemployment? So answer. Steps have been taken to improve the skill level of the job seekers so that they can have better access to employment, providing loans and subsidy to enable people to engage in self-employment. In reality, handicrafts and products created out of self-employment are unable to compete with goods created by a globalized economy, and this has further complicated the issue of unemployment. Every citizen of the country should be encouraged to indulge in one or the other employment by providing job oriented course to all. This is another strategy to think and work on. Okay, so these are some measures which are needed for the eradication of unemployment. So, moving to next question. What are the measures undertaken for the removal of regional imbalances? Answer. The measures undertaken for the removal of regional imbalances are Article 371 has been amended from A to J. Through this special status is given to the backward regions. Many committees were implemented. For example, D.M. Nanjundappa Committee in Karnataka Malnad Committee. Cooperation among the states. Internal trade agreements. So these were taken for the sake of removal of regional imbalances. Okay, moving to next question. What are the effects of terrorism? Answer. The effects of terrorism are as follows. Terrorism that are based on political ideologies, religious faiths, and ideological beliefs creates a lot of loss for the individuals. It creates psychological pain and influences the cultural aspects negatively. It creates panic and violence. It feeds on fear of the people. Okay, so these are effects of terrorism. Moving to next question. What are the measures taken to curb terrorism? Answer. The measures taken to curb terrorism are India has always criticized terrorism in other countries also. Our central and state governments have taken utmost care to stop terrorism. They have always strived to protect the property and life of ordinary people. They have even created special elite forces to tackle these terrorists. India has been peace-loving country and has undertaken many initiatives to stop terrorism. Okay, so now moving to the next question. What is corporate strategy? Write about its present status. So answer. A group administrative measure undertaken by a company to achieve a premeditated target is called corporate strategy. The present day corporate strategies are using globalized environment and modern technologies. The main aim of these strategies is maximizing the profits of the company. This affects the people, society, and a country negatively. Often, corporate strategies influence the decision of the government. On the positive side, the same corporate companies can be employed to alleviate social problems like poverty, malnutrition, health, skill training, and many other aspects of society through corporate social responsibility programs. Okay, so students, these were few question answers of this lesson which were given in the points so that it's easy for you all to remember. I hope this was helpful. If the video was helpful and you liked it, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. Do subscribe my channel and Scorpio Class Hindi channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.